And now I am done cutting. I'm going to proceed preparing order. I will just go ahead and prepare this. And then there is another order. I'm gonna go for a green wrap, and here it is. Sticker, honey, turmeric. And I'm gonna give him a Moringa goat milk soap sample and a sample of turmeric. And that's it. I'm going to put my thank you sticker. And that's it. Of course, we're gonna put this, one of the proof that this soap is handmade. So I am going to put this sticker. And then the name of my product, Natural Nature Care by Angel. And that's it. And to make sure I will not get confused, I will put what it's inside.